The first real benefit of all girls' education is that it recognizes girls' unique qualities, the qualities that make them different from boys. What are these unique qualities? Well, I'm going to list a few. First of all, research has shown that the brain develops differently in boys and girls. Girls can often concentrate on higher-level abstract thinking about 4 years earlier than boys can, and they tend to use the areas of the brain devoted to language and emotional functioning. Furthermore, they can often work for longer periods of time. Girls enjoy collaborative learning activities, and so they work well in groups. Boys tend to be more attracted to visual, hands-on learning activities. Finally, as girls mature, they're often kind and cooperative. These qualities are valued in all girls' schools. The second benefit of single-sex education is that girls become more self-confident without the distraction of boys. In a single-sex environment, girls enjoy being leaders. They offer help to others, and they also ask for help when they need it. For example, if they don't understand a math or science concept, they'll ask for clarification. But when girls are in the same classroom as boys, they often lose their self-esteem because they have very different learning styles than boys. Boys tend to be louder. They may jump up out of their seats and wave their arms in people's faces if they know the answer to a teacher's question. If this happens, girls typically sink back in their chairs and wait for the boys to quiet down. But if there are no boys around, girls can feel free to be themselves. Now, it's true that recently girls have been doing very well in school, better than boys in many cases. Second, we have to realize that there are valid reasons for supporting coeducation, and in many cases, it comes down to personal preference. And it's also true that all girls' schools do separate girls from the real world while they're growing up. But in the real adult world, boys are the ones who set the rules of the game. And these rules don't necessarily reflect the needs or talents of girls, no matter how well they do in school. In an all-girls school, girls can become confident enough to challenge the rules. And then, perhaps, they can change the real world into a place designed to help both women and men.